Welcome to J&J's test video of 9717, that 2007 FJ Cruiser, 201,000 miles, two-wheel drive. Had some roof damage, has an exhaust manifold leak. It's not absolutely rotten, which is a surprise. Probably two-wheel drive has something to do with it. Still all here, kind of dirty, and it's kind of Get this with one hand. Look at that. The hood drop underneath here. Alright. Got a little stumble, probably need some spark plugs. No one ever services stuff anymore. Hard to hear anything over the exhaust leak, but I don't hear any noises or anything in there, and it idles fairly well. We'll do a leak down and check it out. Got the little doors in the back. There's the handle. Been so long since I've done one of these. Oh, everybody puts their dogs back there. Drive it around. Let's see what we got. It's just kind of icky. It does have a rear diff lock. Transmission works. Front end feels a little loose. Windows work. CD player works. Little beep for the seatbelt works. These aren't bad trucks, they're just very expensive for what you get. All the beeping. Where's my Land Cruiser? Nowhere back there. Oh, there it is over there. Sometimes trying to find out where you're at in this parking lot. A little snorkel action. Alright, see, this rear diff locks. All the stuff turned off. It's trying. I don't know if I have to do anything to get it in. Let's see if it does anything now. Blink, blink, blink. I'll have to check it out when it's in here. Auto limited slip. That's about it. Runs good. 201,000, almost 2.2. And as always, thank you for watching. Get my hand in here. Get the door to shut. Voodoo Blue FJ Cruiser, two-wheel drive, 200,000 miles. As always, thank you for watching, and have your pets spayed and neutered.